Namaste, welcome back to the new video of mine. So after a long time I'm doing a sitting video because I was busy in some kind of a work, and by the title now you people have already guessed what today's video is going to be about. And yes, it's about using the mask, and I'm talking about this mask, and I'll tell you how to use this in a very different ways. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. That's it for today's. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do, please do like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.